Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can dub a Chinese video to English using ElevenLabs. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course sign into your ElevenLabs account and then select text to speech, which is under the playground section. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is upload the transcript of your Chinese video. And after you upload it, what you will do is by the way, this is just an example. So, for example, this is your transcript, and then what you will have to do is just select an English voice from the voice library, which is right here. And then, for example, I would want this voice or okay, let's find different voice. Okay, uh, so you could actually just choose from your voice library or from your all saved voices, and now you will just have to click the voice that you want. So for example, we want this voice, and what you will have to do is just click generate speech so that you will be able to create the English voiceover, and just wait for it to load, and it may take a while. And now after
嘿，我
it has
是个
loaded,
人类。
okay, as you can see, it has been
嘿，
generated.
我是个人类。
And you can just choose either generation 1, generation 2, or whatever you want. And yeah, that's basically just it. And you could also download it, which is you'll just have to click this download icon right here, and your audio would be downloaded. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.